Go to the right. Up for a fight. Time for a bite. A bit of a fright. Something to write. Flying a kite. She knows her delight. On the next flight. This way to the sight. About to ignite. I think she might. Attack with your knight. It has you in sight. Turn off the light. Have a good night. Up early and bright.
How are you today?
I am very good, thank you.
In your free time, would you read a book or watch a movie?
I would generally read a book.
Do you play sport?
No, I don't really play sports.
So, for exercise, swimming or jogging?
I would probably go swimming.
For dinner, would you usually cook at home or eat out?
I always eat out.
And would your choice be burger or salad?
Definitely a burger.
And to drink, beer or wine?
Mostly beer.
For dessert, is it cheese or pancakes?
I love pancakes.
Bon appetit.
Thank you.
Toaster. Toothpaste. Tin. Tune. Teenager. Tent. Torch. Treasure. Pops up at breakfast. For bright white teeth. A tin of tomato soup. Whistle a happy tune. Just 13. Sleeping rough. To light up your life. Buried treasure. Overhead. Over lunch. Overweight. Overdue. Overland. Oversee. Overcoat. Overtime. Over the rainbow. Over to you. Over the microphone. Over a barrel. Eggs over easy. Overnight. Starting over. Head over heels.